Hello, and welcome to an in-depth weather video. If you like this video, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell to get notifications whenever I post a video. Now, let's go in depth. Today we're going to be talking about flooding rains. So Chicago had a major flooding problem this morning, and it was on the Weather Channel. And this flooding rain here, just slow moving system, really just moving like a slug across the country. It's gonna set up shop right in the areas that were just affected by Arthur. And right here specifically, the mountains could see incredible amounts of rain. Insane amounts of rain. Let's move on to the NAM 3-kilometer model. We're going to be zooming in on the eastern US because that's where this will be targeting. And we're just going to be looking at this system right here. So now, let's get started. So now, you see that the center of low pressure isn't really defined here. So we're kind of looking at this area as the lowest pressure, but it's not really there. This is just a system. There's the low pressure that develops. Now it just circles around this low pressure for a while, and it sets up shop right over here in North Carolina. Moves around a couple times, but just the general trend here is that there's going to be a lot of rain in North Carolina. So you can see we're going to be focusing on like right here. I'll put my cursor there. And just a bunch of rain right in that spot. Western North Carolina, there's another wave of rain. And that continues. This is 60 hours. We're going to go out to 84 hours now. Still just so much rain in that one area. And just to show you, this is the next 84 hours. Just look how much rain that is. And it gets more defined when you go back to the NAM 3-kilometer model. So this area here in pink is 2 inches plus. Now, this area in like this darker color here, this dark red, 6 inches. This area in the yellow is like 9-10 inches of rain. That's incredible amounts of rain just from one system. So that just shows you how slowly moving this is, that we have to go all 84 hours just to see what happens in one region. And how heavy the rain is. It'll be dumping rain on this area right over here for days. Now, let's go back to the NAM 3-kilometer model, and right here in the mountains here, you could be seeing in isolated spots, even up into these higher amounts, like from 12 to 24, even higher than that. Then you have areas outside of the mountains, and even in Ohio here, getting 6 to 12. Then you have areas in Ohio, parts of West Virginia, parts of Kentucky, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Virginia, getting 2 to 6 inches, including some of the spots that were just hit by Arthur. And then you have this blue area that's 1/2 inch to 2 inches, which is still a decent amount of rainfall, but more what you would usually expect from one system. So just incredible amounts of rain, flooding potential, and just over the next few days, we're gonna keep tracking this and see what happens with it.